Hi, hello everyone. I'm going to do a video, and one of the models I'm going to do a video about. Oh, hey, kitty cat, kitty cat, kitty, 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 psst, 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 psst. Kitty. What? Ah, car is way more interesting than. There's coming a car. Have to be careful. Because here I have a Tarmac and it's still in the package. This one is also still in the package. I can do a review about this one later. How do you think this? What do you think of this? Cool, right? Rocky. I thought it's really collectible. Yeah, still have to do a photo with this one too. Waiting for a Tesla so I can make a video with this pack. Some food, protein. Don't forget your protein. Okay. There we go. And I have another one upstairs. There we go. There we go upstairs. Beautiful Tarmac. Here we are in the Diecast room, and it's a little bit dark, so it's time to create a little bit of light. Have a look at the collection. I love this view. So many cool things. Huh. Almost Christmas. Alright. Front view. And then put the camera in the tripod. And then we're going to create some artificial light. There we are. So, I also have to do a review about this one. This one is so cool. Comes with a figure inside. How cool is that? Yeah, here is another Tarmac for tonight. Let's switch to wide mode, and we start with this one. This is pretty new. Yeah, and I found this one in my car. So I thought that is a nice couple for unboxing review. And afterwards I'm going to put it back in the car because these cars are driving. I see these cars a lot in my area. Many rijke tatas in my area. Tarmac Land Rover Defender 90. Here we see some information, freeze the frame if you want to read it. Official licensed product, that is what we like. Barcode, article numbers for the ones who are interested. QC4. Not sure what this means, but whoa! This is a pretty fine looking model, my friends. Hallelujah. This is looking really good. I'm going to switch back to this mode. Lens front lights, Land Rover logo, and Defender here in the front. Windscreen wipers are molded in the glass. Nice black roof. I think this is supposed to be some panoramic roof, but it's all metal. Good side mirrors. Now I'm going to switch back to this is much better. Here we can see the side mirrors, same as the real version. Very good rolling tires. If you ask me, this could come straight out of the Mini GT factory. Quality is very similar. Nice spare tire here in the back. Are those landslides here in the back? I don't know. Land Rover license plate and a silver accent here on the exhaust. I like that. Yeah, again, nice metal base. 164 Land Rover Defender made in China. Perfect rims. Almost forgot to have a look at the interior. And we can see an authentic Land Rover steering wheel. Black interior. No stuff in the back. No, nothing. And seats in the rear are okay. Yeah, very nice model, and I love the metallic look. Metallic, right? Silver metallic, yep. Beautiful. Okay, then I'm very curious about this one. The Dodge Viper ACR Extreme. Yeah, we can see it's official licensed product. Nice. We can also see that Tarmac is active on social media. Barcode article number. Scale 1/64. Nice box package. I wonder if this one has a metal base. I hope so, and I believe it is. It has a metal base. Yeah, I like this. Cool. Didn't do that with this one. Awesome. You see the color on the package is a little bit different than the one here in the package. Toxic green. I like that. Nice black rims. I'm a fan of black rims. You got the exhaust right here. No, we have a plastic base. But what I see something I like, and maybe you already see it, but the rear tires are wider than the ones in the front. That is very realistic. I like that. Thank you very much, Tarmac. That is a very good detail. Big spoiler here in the back, made out of plastic. Nice paint, by the way. I love it. And there is a silver sticker on the side mirror. Good rims. Yeah, landslides in the front and the Dodge logo. Spoiler, also plastic. Yeah, I'm a little bit disappointed about the not metal base. We do have some details. And it's not that super bad, but you know, it makes it a little bit more premium when it has a metal base. Okay, let's have a look at the interior. Here in the back, zero details. Yeah, nice steering wheel, just a black interior. Looks fine. Looks fine, looks nice. We have the seats, nice bucket seats. And the windscreen wipers are molded in the glass. So both very good looking cars. If I have to choose between these two, I go for this one. Feels a lot heavier with that metal base. Yeah. Metal base stands for a little bit more, like I said, premium, more quality. So if I have to choose, I go for this one. But both are really, really cool. Good rolling wheels. Yeah, they both have perfect rolling wheels. Okay, thanks for watching everyone. Don't forget to share the video with your diecast friends. Don't forget to smash the like button, very important, so I can make more diecast videos. Have a good one. Bye.